Hello and welcome to our very first Free Friday! I'm so pleased to be reviewing two of my favourite economy wig styles. But please make sure you tune in right to the very end because we're going to be giving away one of these styles to one of our lucky subscribers. So stay tuned. Right, so I want to start with my personal favourite, which is this asymmetrical bob here. It's called Felicity, and it's available currently in 8 shades, ranging from an ever popular 1B, which is an off black, to this very striking here, shade 39, which is, in my opinion, it's a dark burgundy colour. The one I'm actually wearing at the moment is in shade 24H613, which is a blonde combination with platinum blonde highlights to them. Now I love this wig, it's just so easy to wear, and the first thing I need to point out is that just because it's an economy wig, it doesn't mean it's cheap and cheerful. It is incredibly well priced, but its manufacturing and its quality is just second to none. The fibres move beautifully, and it's a great joy for wearing during the day and in the evening. Now the cap construction on this particular model is an open wefted design, which means it's got a bands across here which allows for great heat ventilation, so that the hot hair comes out quite nice and easy for you. It's pre-styled and the fibres themselves are extremely good quality, and you can induce a little bit of heat into them. So you can do a little bit of restyling on them if you wish, but be a little bit careful. That's what I can say. What I do love about this design is the way it fits in lovely down to the back here, and hopefully rotating around up here somewhere will be a full 360-degree view of the model, so you can see it right the way through from the front. I also love the fringe on this one, it's very, very flattering. Now, the two critical dimensions on this wig, as far as I am concerned, is from the crown, which is the top section here, down to the side. I think that's important to know because most models that you see on websites and in brochures, they're all ladies with relatively small heads, and therefore when you put a wig on them, the dimensions always look a lot longer. Now the critical dimension from the crown here, down the side and tucking in there, is approximately 31 centimetres. Another dimension that was also important to me, because I need to know it's going to cover the back of my hairline here, is the dimension, I'll rotate it around here, that goes again from the crown section down here and into the nape of the neck, so as you can see just down here, and that dimension is approximately 25 centimetres in length. As I say, this is a wonderful style, great for daytime and also nighttime, very dramatic. So in summary, there's 8 shades available in this one, and it's a real winner. So let's move on to the next one. So the second wig we're going to review now is a slightly longer version, and this is called a Katie, and the shade I'm wearing it in is an 8H27, and it's got a lovely shape to it. As you can see, it folds around my side of my profile quite nicely. It's what I would call a medium length style, and like the previous one, the Felicity that we reviewed here, it's an open cap stretch design. They are all, or both of these, are manufactured to go onto an average head, whatever size that may be. But there are adjusters in the back of them, so if you want to get a nice snug fit, if you look in the back of the wig, you've got some slight adjusters here on an elasticated band, and you just slot it in to the relevant section here, tightening it up. Now I wear mine on the loosest one, and it stays in place very well. I have no fears of it ever falling off. So let's have a look at the size or the length of this particular one. Again, 2 critical dimensions as far as I'm concerned are the one that go from the crown to the side of the face here. And on this particular style, the Katie is measuring roughly about 41 centimetres, so it's quite a bit longer than the Felicity one that we just reviewed. And the second critical dimension is the one again from the crown here, flowing into the back here, which is approximately 44 centimetres long. So it's quite a nice length of wig, and it styles in very well. Again, it's just a case of taking it straight literally out of the bag, giving it a good old shake and popping it onto your head. It's pre-styled, so there's no problems with that one. So I love this particular wig. It is currently available in 4 shades. Thank you very much for sticking with us right to the very bitter end. It's a very short review, and if you'd like to find out more about these particular 2 styles, that's the Felicity or the Katie, the relevant links are down below, and there you can actually view all the shades if you wish. As I said at the beginning, we are delighted to be giving one of these away to one of our subscribers. So the important thing is, how do you get one? Well, it's very, very simple. All I ask you to do is just pop a comment down below with the shade that you require and the style, obviously. And next week, at our next giveaway on a Free Friday, we should be announcing the winner. So good luck with that. If there's anything you'd like to know, more details, please feel free to drop in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe, because we really do appreciate your input. Thank you very much, and have a blessed day.